guys, it's me here again, and I'm gonna try to explain today how my GPS works. I have people coming to me and asking, hey, how do you use, how do you put in sunshine? How is that really works? So I'm gonna try to make a little demonstration here how I do it every day, all right? So here's the phone where I have a app. It's called Aerovision map application from Marshall. So once you open the app and the map locators where you are, I come here and I turn my pocket link on with that little black key. It's a magnet, it's awesome. So you turn that on and it says connected and it's looking for transmitter. So I got the transmitter here, the battery, and I just snap it in. And I got the green light. And it's looking for the transmitter and it might take a few seconds for him to find it, the signal, and it's right there. That's the transmitter signal showing on an app and tell me exactly where the transmitter is. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I attach this and sunshine still, and we're all set. I'm gonna show you now how I attach this little tail mounting piece on Sunshine's old feather that already was used before. So we choose the place that is always more hidden on the feather here. We did this in here. You have also a new kit, a tool like this, a crimper, and we're just gonna attach here. All right. And then you see how perfect you get in here. So that's why you have to get one for each size. And then you just push and will get on attach here on the feather. And then you not move this for a while. She loses the feather. All right. And her tail, we had the tail mounting already adapted in. So, and then we got the transmitter, and you just snap it in, and then she's ready to go. Let's go fly. Okay, for some birds that is still like not used to it, like Vicky, that's gonna be the first time you're gonna put it on her. You might need to actually towel him. So you might need gently towel your bird like this. Might not need to do that alone. So a tail mounting is really well hidden here. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. As you guys can see, she's not even noticing once I put it on her. She just don't realize that it's even there. I was trying to tell you guys one thing that is really not hard to use a GPS on your bird. Sunshine has been using her GPS for about 2 years now. And we just, on the beginning, was a little bit tricky because she was not used to harness as well, but I realized later that using GPS is even easy than using harness on her. So it's just take a little time and for the bird to get used to it, touching his feathers and getting him to get this on a positive way is always easy way to start. And right now, we're gonna have a really surprise. Bird Tricks is coming up with the package, a Bird Trick package that will come all the pieces in one set, and it will include an extra dummy part, which is like a fake GPS track that you can use in your bird and he can shoot it until he got used to it. That would be awesome. Great news. And I'm happy they are developing more easy ways for us to use it and enjoy our birds outside. I love this. Now that we have a bird, we can do one more thing. Like once you have attached the battery, okay? This is the rechargeable batteries. But you can also turn it off once you have a bird. You use the key, and then it's off. And once it's off, you can let in your bird for maybe a day or two until he got used to it, so he doesn't mess around with it. He just like, that would be good to have a dummy one for that part. And if you guys have any questions or want to know anything about the GPS and want, asking me about it, just click down the bottom, put something in the comments, and also if you guys like the video, please push the like and enjoy your channel, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video. If you want to see more about this, or if you like it, how was it? So give me your opinion. It's really important to us. Thank you.